Bollywood actresses who earn huge money from Instagram. Deepika Padukone. The stunning Bollywood actress has more than 47 million followers on Instagram and she demands around 2 crores per post. Priyanka Chopra. The global icon Priyanka Chopra has 52 million followers on her Instagram account and she charges around 2 crores per post. Alia Bhatt. This young Bollywood actress has more than 46 million followers on her Instagram account and she earns around 1 to 2 crore per post. Katrina Kaif. Gorgeous Bollywood actress Katrina Kaif has more than 35 million followers on her Instagram account and she charges around 1 crore per post. Anushka Sharma. On Instagram, this beautiful actress has more than 35 million followers and she demands around 90 lakhs per post. Kareena Kapoor Khan. Bebo is just few months old in the industry and she already has around 3 million followers and she charges 80 lakhs per post. Shraddha Kapoor. This Bollywood actress has more than 43 million followers on her Instagram account and she charges around 90 lakhs to 1 crore per post. Sara Ali Khan. This young Bollywood actress has more than 20 million followers and she charges around 30 lakhs per post on her Instagram account. Jacqueline Fernandez. This happy-go-lucky Bollywood actress has more than 39 million followers on her Instagram account and she earns per post around 60 lakhs rupees. Disha Patani. This Bollywood actress has more than 33 million followers on her account and she earns around 40 to 50 lakhs per post. Kriti Sanon. This leggy lass of Bollywood has more than 30 million followers on Instagram and she earns around 60 lakhs per post. Sonam Kapoor. The fashionista of Bollywood Sonam Kapoor has more than 27 million followers on her Instagram account and she charges around 70 lakhs per post. Parineeti Chopra. Bubbly Bollywood actress Parineeti Chopra has more than 26 million followers on her Instagram account and she earns around 20 to 25 lakhs per post. Urvashi Rautela. This actress has more than 25 million followers on her Instagram account and she earns around 10 to 15 lakhs per post. Janhvi Kapoor. This beautiful star kid has more than 8 million followers and she earns around 5 lakhs per post on her Instagram account. Sonakshi Sinha. Shotgun Jr. on her Instagram account has more than 19 million followers and she earns around 20 to 25 lakhs per post on her account. Taapsee Pannu. This talented Bollywood actress has more than 15 million followers and she earns around 10 to 12 lakhs per post. Kiara Advani. Kabir Singh actress Kiara has more than 11 million followers and she earns around 10 lakhs per post. Ananya Pandey. This young Bollywood actress has more than 10 million followers and she charges around 10 lakhs per post already. Aishwarya Rai Bachchan. The Bachchan Bahu has more than 8 million followers on her Instagram account and she earns around 10 lakhs per post. Bhumi Pednekar. On Instagram, Bhumi has more than 4 million followers and she earns around 4 to 5 lakhs per post of brand endorsements. Yami Gautam. Yami has around 11 million followers and she earns per post around 5 to 8 lakhs on her Instagram account. Malaika Arora. Malaika has around 11 million followers on her Instagram account and she earns around 5 to 8 lakhs per post.